Hello friends, I am going to start illustration number 29 of portfolio management CMA final SFM. This is the one of the very good questions. Please let's read these questions. Look at it. Illustration 29. Mr. Q on a portfolio with the following characteristics. Here security A, security B, factor sensitivity 1, factor sensitivity 2, expected return. Security A have returned 20%. There are two factors work on this. This is a multiple factors questions, like in expected return as per CAPM. There was one factor, that is the market sensitivity. But here in this question I am going to discuss more than one sensitivity, more than one factors affect the security return. That is the factor 1 and factor 2. Factor 1 is the this what can you say, this you can say it beta due to factor 1, you can say this, and this is said to be beta due to factor 2, and this is said to be beta due to factor 1. This is said to be for beta due to factor 2. This is the one type of beta, and due to the different factors like price sensitivity, like inflation rate, GDP growth, economic growth, these all are the factors affect the return of the investors securities. Okay, it is assumed that the security return are generated by a two factors model. Okay, if Mr. Q has rupees 1 lakh and to invest the short sale means rupees, you are going to sell 50,000 rupees of security B and purchase 1,50,000 of security A, is the sensitivity of Mr. Q portfolio of the two factors. What will be the sensitivity of investors Q? In this case, what is saying, investor Q has 1 lakh rupees and he short sell 50,000 from B, and total money he has 1,50,000. This is B sale, and this 1 lakh is purchase from purchase A. Then in this case, what will be the factor, what will be the sensitivity of this investor, that you have to determine. Okay, let's go. I'm solving the questions here. Sale of security, here has invest short sale B, sale of security look at it, sale of now sale of security B and purchase security A. In this case, what will happen? Please concentrate. He has total amount, his own amount rupees 1 lakh. Short sale B rupees 50,000. Investment in A rupees 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Okay. In this case, security look at here, portfolio value, portfolio value, portfolio value, sensitivity factor 1, sensitivity factor 2, T, this is factor 2, product factor, product factor, look at it, A, security invested, B, sold. Here 50,000 sold, then this is the negative. 1,50,000 you have invested, this is a positive. Total your own money, that is the 1 lakh. Your own money is rupees 1 lakh. Sensitivity of factor A. What is the A? Look at here. A has a factor 0.8, 0.8, and B has 0.15. In this case, this is the 0.80 and this is the 1.50. In this case, 1,50,000 multiplied with 0.8, 1,50,000 multiplied with 0.8, then 1 lakh. Here sensitivity, here sensitivity product, here this is factor 2. What is the factor 2 you have? In factor 2 you have 0.6, 0.6 and 1.2 here, 1.2. You write here 0.60 and this is 1.20, 1.20. Now please try to understand. In this case, product factor 1, 1,50,000 multiplied with 0.8 minus 50,000 multiplied with 1.5, then it will be 1,20,000. Why it is a negative? Because of it is short sale. This is minus 1,50,000 multiplied with this is a 75,000. Ultimate you have a 45,000. Now portfolio sensitivity will be what? Portfolio sensitivity due to factor 1, due to factor 1, what will be 45,000 total amount on total available amount 1 lakh, that is 0.45. Exactly the same way we can calculate for sensitivity factor second. For sensitivity factor 2, sensitivity factor 2, product factor, product factor 2, product factor 2 will be 1,50,000 0.60. Here minus 50,000 1.20, that this is 90,000 minus 60,000, this is 30,000. Portfolio sensitivity due to factor 2, 30,000 out of investment 1 lakh, you have 0.30. This is the answer of first part. What was the question you had? You had a question, Mr. Q has 1 lakh rupees invested in the investment and sales short sale 1,50,000 security B and purchase 1,50,000 of security A. What will be the sensitivity of Mr. Q portfolio to the two factors, that is a factor 1 and factor this. That is, this is a factor 1, this is a factor 2. In the case of two factors, what will be the sensitivity? This is the way of calculating sensitivity. Amount into sensitivity multiplied. Okay. Similarly, we can calculate for the second. Mr. Q has borrows 1 lakh at a risk-free amount and invested in the amount borrowed along with the original amount of 1 lakh security A and B in the same proportion described in part 1. This is the most important. In the same proportion described in part 1. What this means? Look at here. In part 1, if 1 lakh he has wealth, then half of the 1 lakh, that is 50,000, sold B. In this case, he has 1 lakh and borrowed at risk-free 1 lakh. He has total now 2 lakh. Half of rupees 2 lakh, that is 1 lakh, sold B. In the first case, he had only 1 lakh rupees. Half of this 1 lakh rupees, 50,000, he sell B. But in the right now case, he has 1 lakh borrowed risk-free, 1 lakh total, he has 2 lakh. And he is going to make the portfolio same as first. Same as first means what? In place of 1 lakh, he has borrowed half of this 50,000, sold B. Now means half you have to sell. The available amount, what amount you have available, what amount you have, half of that you will sell B. In this second case, you have 2 lakh, half of that B will sell, that is the 3 lakh. This is the case. In this case, you have to find the sensitivity in the same way as you calculated in the first. Now, look at here. Second case. His sale of borrowed 1 lakh from risk-free, purchase and follow same as proportion of first part. In this case, how much amount he will have? Look at here. His own amount, rupees 1 lakh, borrowed amount rupees 1 borrowed at risk free total he has 2 lakh, sold B half of rupees 2 lakh. Why half of rupees 2 lakh? In this case, in the first proportion, what is this? 50,000, half of rupees 1 lakh. That's why in the same proportion as you did first, that is rupees 1 lakh. Investment in A rupees 3 lakh. Investment in A rupees 3 lakh. Now investment is a look at calculation of sensitivity. Now you need to calculate sensitivity. Calculation of sensitivity in second case. In second case, please try to understand. In second case, security portfolio value weight, portfolio value weight, security portfolio value weight, sensitivity factor 1, sensitivity factor 1, sensitivity factor 1, product factor 1, product factor 1. Just I am doing as per your book. Sensitivity factor 2. Now product factor 2. Product factor 2. Please. A, invested B, sold C, borrowed at risk free, borrowed at risk free. This is sold borrowed from risk free. This is the negative. This is also negative. Now he has 1 lakh. This is invested in this. What is the factor 1? This is factor 1. Look at in the questions. In factor 1, please try to understand. In factor 1, 0.8 for security A, 1.50 for B. 0.8, 1.50, this is for risk free 0. Then product 3 lakh multiplied with 0.8, 3 lakh multiplied 0.8, this is rupees 2,40,000. 1 lakh multiplied with 1.50, this is 1,05,000 minus 1,50,000, this is 0. In this case total amount is 1 lakh. In this case total amount is 90,000. Now what is the sensitivity factor 2? Sensitivity factor 2, please try to understand. Sensitivity factor 2 is here. This is security A 0.6, 1.20 security B, 0.6, 1.20. Now multiply 3 lakh multiplied with 0.6, 1,80,000. 1 lakh multiplied 1.2 minus 1,20,000. This is your 60,000. This is your 60,000. Now portfolio sensitivity. Portfolio sensitivity. Portfolio sensitivity. Look at it. Due to factor 1, look at 90,000 total amount out of investment 1 lakh. The 90,000 divided by 1 lakh, this is 0.90. Due to factor 2, 60,000 out of investment 1 lakh, out of your own investment 1 lakh, 60,000 out of your 1 lakh your own investment, this is 0.60. This is a way of calculating portfolio. Do you understand? This is a very simple way I did. Now in last part, what is the questions? Last part, what is the expected return on premium factor 2? Expected return on premium factor 2. In this case, expected return is risk-free rate of return plus beta factor 1 risk premium. This is a premium due to factor 1 plus beta factor 2. This is the risk premium. Risk premium means premium due to factor 2, means I have taken risk due to factor 1, then what is the premium I will receive? Similarly, I have taken risk due to factor 2, then how much premium I am going to receive? That is asking here. The expected return of the security, that is you are going to invest in A, that is 20%. This is your 20%. What is the risk-free rate of return? Risk-free rate of return, that is given here 5%, 15%. Now the beta factor 1, what is the beta factor 1? That I have calculated. Beta factor 2, then suppose this is x1, this is the y1. The beta factor 1, in this case 0.8, 0.8, this is a factor 2, 0.6. In the second case 1.50, 1.20. Now please look at here. Now let's go. Risk factor. This is calculation of expected return of C part answer. Expected return, risk free, beta factor 1, this is x, beta factor 2, this is y. Expected return, this is expected return, this is expected return from security, risk free rate of return, risk free rate of return, beta factor 1, factor sensitivity factor due to 1, factor sensitivity due to 1, beta factor 2 due to 2. This is the X, risk premium due to factor 1, risk premium due to factor 1. This is Y, risk premium due to factor 2. Now due to factor 2, RA, return of this is 20%, risk free 15%, plus what are the factors of RA? A 0.8, 0.6, 0.8x, 0.6 y. This is the one equation. And RB, what is the 25%, risk free 15%. What are the factor in the case of B? Look at here, security B, return of the security 25%, factor is 1.5, factor is 1.20, factor 1.5x, 1.20 y. In this case you can write here 25 minus 15, or 1.5x plus 1.2 y, that equal to 25 minus 15, this equal to 10. Now similarly here 0.8x plus 0.6 y, this is 25, 20 minus 15, that equal to 5. Now you have to calculate value of x and value of y. You have two equations. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. From this you can calculate the value of x. What will be the value of x in this case? Value of x, 5 minus 0.6 y, this is 0.8. Now putting in first 1.5, 5 minus 0.6 y, 0.8, 1.2 y, that equal to 10. Solving this you will get value of y. After this you will get value of y. This is the 8.33%. Therefore expected risk premium, hence expected risk premium for factor 2 y, 8.33%. This is your expected risk premium for y. So this is a question, this is a good question. You must have to practice this 2 or 3 times to get confidence good. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. Okay.